How to delete your Aternos server. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily delete your Aternos server. So if you have created any server using the Aternos platform, here is how you can delete it. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you would need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser and search for aternos.com. And once you do that, you can just hit enter. Now the first link that you will see is the Aternos Minecraft server. Go ahead and open up this link. And once you do that, you will see this play button on the bottom right corner. Now if this is your first time, you'll be prompted to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will see a list of your servers right here. Once you do that, if you want to stop your server or delete it completely, you will have to click on this pencil icon to edit, and you will get this delete option right here. Once you click on this trash can, your server will be permanently deleted. So you'll just have to confirm, and you have to know that all the files and settings will also be permanently deleted. Now if you want to confirm, just click on yes, and now your server will be deleted. So that's how you easily delete your Aternos server. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.